In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an event app in Glide. We'll take a simple set of actions and turn them into a clear, polished event view, then publish your updates so they're live and ready to share. First, go to Glide. Open your web browser and head directly to Glide's website. Glide is a no-code builder that turns your data into apps, so having it open in a modern browser will give you the smoothest experience. If you've bookmarked your workspace, you can go there right away. Otherwise, just navigate to the main site and you'll land on the dashboard page after signing in. Next, sign in to your account. Use the same sign-in method you chose when you first created your Glide workspace. After authentication, you'll see your recent projects and any workspaces you have access to. If you manage multiple apps, a quick check that you're in the correct workspace can save you confusion later. Now, open the project you want to edit. Click into your event app project to load the Glide editor. You'll see the app preview on one side and configuration panels on the other. This is your live editing environment. Changes you make here will update the design and behavior of your app before you publish. On the right sidebar, choose Card. The right sidebar controls how a screen or component looks and behaves. Selecting Card applies a clean, visual layout that works especially well for events because it highlights images, titles, dates, and quick details in a scannable format. Cards help your users browse upcoming events at a glance without digging through long lists. Now click Source to choose the data of the event. In the same right panel, open the Source or Data section and pick the table or collection that already holds your event information. This is typically where your event records live, with columns like title, date, location, image, and description. By pointing the card layout to this data source, Glide knows which items to display and can automatically pull key details into each card. If your column names are clear, Glide will often make smart defaults for what shows on the card, like the main title and an image, so your event grid looks good immediately. When you're happy with the setup, go to the top right corner and click Publish. Publishing saves your changes and makes them visible to anyone who has access to your app's link. Once published, you can open the live URL to confirm everything looks right on mobile and desktop. Thanks for watching this step-by-step Glide tutorial. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and walkthroughs. See you in the next video.